How to upload video on Instagram, not reel. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to upload video on Instagram and not reel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen, and further select the video that you want to post as regular video and not as reel. Now tap on the next option. As you can see, you will automatically be redirected to the reel interface. So ever since Instagram introduced Reels on 2020, the regular video mode or the traditional format of video has been taken down. So no matter how short or lengthy the video is, it will be posted as reel and not as video. Since Reels are Instagram's short-form video feature designed to compete with TikTok, they allow you to create videos up to 90 seconds long, comprising a single clip or multiple clips edited together. Reels offer various creative tools like adding music, on-screen text, closed captions, and visual effects directly within the app. So as of now, Instagram does not allow their users to upload traditional videos format in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.